Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Janice Laureta Bigayan. I am 27 years old. I am single with one daughter. My height is 53 centimeter and my weight is 64 kilogram. I work as a housekeeper and babysitter in Ilocos Norte, a 6 years old baby. I do household like cleaning the house, washing clothes, ironing, marketing, and tutoring children. And also, I care good of a babies like changing diaper, feed them, and bath them. I want to work Hong Kong to earn money and have a better living to support my family. I am honest, trustworthy, obedient, and hardworking. I am also willing to learn how to cook Chinese foods. And I promise to finish my 2 years contract with you, and I am willing to renew when needed. I hope to see you soon, my dear employer. Thank you.